From NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2020 Fall Carlisle Auction. Check out the 62 Rambler with a 65 Chevy 409 under the hood. And of course a 4-speed. What a wild combination. I'm not a fan of this hood routine. I'll show you underneath later on. But this car is just too funky to let up. You know my affinity with Ramblers, so you gotta check this out. Gotta check this out. We're gonna pop the hood and listen to that motor at 409 per. Meanwhile, of course, let's look at the various stuff here. These were actually considered compact, but this was their full-size body. Let me brighten it up in there. There we go. What a funky job. Let's take a look underneath the hood. This should be interesting.
Somebody went through a lot
409.
Somebody went through a lot of trouble with this.
Yeah, they did some cutting there.
Too. I just told you that.
Boy, they did some cutting on this thing.
Now don't you go, hey.
Power brakes.
Don't you go until I go.
Manual steering. Yeah, this will work.
No, it's not.
This nice Rambler.
It's got a 409 in it.
Want to start her up? Let's hear her.
Sure shit does.
4-speed too.
'62 Rambler. Oh, she burbles real nice.
Oh yeah.
Sounds good. Gee.
Okay.
Yeah, cool, thanks. I get the interior. It's also right here. I love this beige, peach, whatever. Isn't that nice? I like the way how these really kind of shown nicely.
What are they waiting on?
Of course, unibody. I get a kick out of the door handles. Again, 62 Rambler Classic with a 409 under the hood. That's from a 65 Chevy. That's something else.